Hi, it's Bruce King here. Having got used to online meetings on Zoom or other platforms, and with the numerous advantages of online meetings, especially the fact there's no need to travel and maybe only dress from the waist upwards, it's quite likely you may have far fewer in-person meetings in the future. I've had quite a few online meetings recently, both selling and being sold to. And in the case of being sold to, I've been horrified at the way some people conduct these meetings. I'll illustrate my frustration by telling you about a couple of experiences I've had in the past. I've spoken at a couple of thousand sales conferences over the years, and on every occasion I've been asked by the organiser to send them a 2 or 3 paragraph biography so they can introduce me to the audience. On almost every occasion at the start of the event, they hold a piece of paper with my bio in front of them and they read it. And from the way they read it to the audience, it's obvious they've either never looked at it before or had one quick read through and filed it somewhere ready for the event. It's obvious they've made no attempt to memorize it. They stumble over the occasional word, and not even a long one at that, and their punctuation and diction is often awful. They are totally unprepared. And how about this? You turn up for a meeting with a new prospect and you start the conversation with, "Tell me a little about your business." If you did that with me, I'd ask you to leave, and none too politely. I'd have expected you to have done some research, know a lot more than a little about my business, and be prepared. Not waste my time with silly small talk. So back to Zoom meetings. And here's the big mistake that even a lot of professional salespeople make that they'd never make in an in-person meeting. They are not adequately prepared. And because we're almost face to face on screen, they think they can get away with it. They think I cannot see what they are doing out of sight of the screen. They think I cannot see they're looking at and turning over some notes they've made on me, and maybe glancing at questions they want to ask me. They think I cannot see them checking something on another screen, maybe their laptop, and Googling some information about me and my business. But I can, because I can see their eyes moving, and it's a dead giveaway. And maintaining eye contact online is absolutely essential. To be unprepared is unprofessional and disrespectful. So please be prepared. Not being so and you're zoomed and doomed to failure. And what we all want is great success.